Stalo Falava, and welcome to everyone here again joining us on How Fresh Are You? We got these guys, first time they ever been on our program. And let's give it up on my right from Team Dynamite. We got Has and Tony. Yeah. Hey boys, what's the name of your team today?
Today we're the Unga Express.
Ooh, the Unga Express. Yeah, all the way from the rock. Now on the left here, we got these talented musicians. We got Mikey and Rei. What's the name of your team, boys?
We are the Sicky Bandits.
Oh, the Sicky Bandits. Yeah. Now we're gonna get ready for our first game, and that is Rapid Fire. Okay, teams, test your passer. All right. First question. What three main groups are the Pacific Islands divided into? Yes, we got...
Polynesia.
Polynesia.
Micronesia.
Micronesia.
Melanesia.
Melanesia, there you have it. It always pays to have one guy in your team. Yeah, all right. Next question. Which island group is last? Yes.
Hawaii.
We just finished 3 of the groups you said.
Oh, sorry. I mean,
Team Sicky Bandits.
Polynesia?
Polynesia, the answer is correct. Polynesia is the biggest island group. Yeah, then Ortara. Next question. Kava is made of what?
A root. A root.
Is it a root? Yes, that's correct. Okay,
we on, mate. We
yeah. What is the 50th state of America? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hawaii.
Is it? Oh, this guy's still good, right? Next question. What is the Fijian word for house?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, we express. Hey,
I was going to say boulevard.
hey, Fijian word for house.
Fale.
Fale.
That is wrong. Wow. It starts with B.
Fale.
Awesome. Another wrong answer. Yeah. Answer is Mburi.
Booty.
Yeah. Remember you say the M before the P?
Booty. So it doesn't start with B.
No, it's a P, but you have to say the M.
Is it Mburi?
Say it again.
Mburi?
No. Okay, the scores at the moment, 50 to this guys, and Unga Express, 49 and 3/4. Wow, so close. This last question, trues or foes, the Mariana Trench is the second deepest in the world.
True.
Yes, Unga?
True.
You reckon it's true?
If we get this right, we do win the whole show.
Yeah, if you get it right.
Yep, true.
Nah, well, you didn't get it right. So,
All right.
it's a what?
do you-
What's
what
the
do you-
other?
what do
I
you-
wonder what the other answer is.
Oh.
All right, what a great answer by the Sicky Bandits. It is not the second deepest, it is the firstest deepest. Give yourself a big A. Well, our current score at the moment is 5,057 to 3,042,000. So still a close game. This next game could be the one that's gonna take the whole game. Please, the face. Blaze the face, where these guys have to guess whose face is it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Yes?
Is it Michael Jordan?
He's a New Zealander. He's a New Zealander, but he is an athlete.
Jonah.
Not Jonah,
David Tor?
not David too. But if you have a look at the ear, it looks like it can hear things. Yeah? Okay, let's have another look. Maybe the eyes, if you can show us the eyes, please.
Wait.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Sicky Bandit.
Israel Adesanya.
Oh, is it Israel Adesanya? Oh! Sicky Bandit, can you tell me what made you think?
Eyes, bro.
was
Like
the
a-
eyes.
The eyes of a
Guys.
champion.
Wow, snake eyes. Wow. Sound like a flat tire. Anyway, we're gonna go to our next face. Who owns this face? Does it look
Jacinda.
looks like a Jacinda. Have you seen Jacinda with a mustache like that before?
Maybe close up. But...
Yeah, the close up.
There's some pretty feminine lips. But it's a guy. It's a guy.
It's a guy?
It's a KJ Appa.
Oh, that was a
Yeah.
good guess. Same industry though. Same industry.
So it doesn't matter.
Let's have a look at the eyes. Whoa.
I got it.
Secchi Bennett.
Yeah.
James Rolliston.
James Rolliston.
Boys.
Let's have a look. Oh, James Rolliston was just in the at the left. Wow, not bad, huh?
Sorry, James.
Secchi Bennett. There's 2 out of 3. This is the last one. Have a look at this and place the face.
Is it that lady from True Bliss?
Oh, you're coming up with some out-of-it ladies, huh? Hey, so you think that's a female? Is that a female lip? Yeah.
Mikey's ex-girlfriend?
Oh.
Nah.
Cut that, cut
Okay,
that.
this is a Okay, let's check out the eyes. Oh, wow. Oh, you can tell by those eyes.
Oh, yeah.
The bachelorette.
Lesina?
Is it?
Lesina?
Can you spell that, Polish?
Lucina.
Lesina. Dr. Lesina. Lesina.
Let's have a look, please. Hey! Secchi Bennett. They guessed all 3 faces. And now for the bonus, how many siblings does Dr. Lesina have? Huh?
1. The last time I was over there.
Well, I don't know how many siblings she has, but I thought I'd just give them a chance to win something. Okay, 5,276,000 to 700 millions of thousands. Our winner for today is the Secchi Bennett. Yeah, give him a big hand. Woo. 2 vouchers there. Gift voucher from Westfield, valued at $3. All right, let's give him a big hand. Hope to see you same time next week on How Fresh Are You? Woo. All right.